YouTube, what's happening? So today I'm gonna show you how to make oatmeal if you only have hot water. All you're gonna need: hot water, oats, a couple of fruits, maybe some protein powder, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna show you how to make oatmeal. Stay tuned. Are you not entertained? So here we have hot water. We're gonna pour in some hot water. Just like so. Right? Simple enough. It's gonna be a really fast process, guys. Now we're gonna add in some oats. That's simple enough. So you want the water to be boiling. In this situation, the water is a little bit hot. It's not quite boiling. But for video purposes, I just wanted to demonstrate it this way. So you're gonna add the oats just like that. The hotter the water is, the more the oats will cook. Alright. So now I'm gonna add some peanut butter. Just like that. And we're gonna kind of stir around. Just like that. See how I change the texture? That's what I want. Alright? It's already, it's cooking the oats a little bit. Like I can tell the texture is changing. So now we're gonna add some protein powder to it. So the only flavor you want to use is vanilla flavor. So we're gonna put about 2 or 3 scoops in there. Alright, so boom, boom. So we're gonna do 2 for now. I want to stir that around. So it's important to do this in a big bowl so it doesn't get messy. Wow, you see that getting fluffy? So we're gonna keep doing this until the texture changes. Just like so. You see that? See how the texture is changing? It's really, really fluffy. So it was my mistake that I put too much water, but you can always get rid of how liquidy it is with more protein powder or more oats. In a safety case, we're gonna go with more oats. So we're gonna stir it to change its texture, just like that. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add some fruits in it. Add some mixed berries to it. Mixed berries and some mangoes. Right, just like that. And there you have it. Protein oatmeal. Alright. Really, really easy to make. It will take you less than 5 minutes to do. So we made some oatmeal. Really, really simple. It just takes 5 minutes to do, right? To make the process quicker, make sure the water is boiled. Make sure you have enough oats, and make sure you don't put too much water. Have some frozen fruit in there. The heat of the oats and the water together should heat up the fruits so it's not too cold when you eat it. And the protein powder is just for protein. We're hitting all our carbs, right? Have our healthy fats in there of the peanut butter, and good to go, right? Easy, simple, Anybody can do this. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
What the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go.